know those days where you just have errand after errand and event after event? Today is one of those days for me. So welcome back to a day in my life where I take you guys out on my adventures and my escapades. A lot of errands. We have an event sort of in the evening, which I will still be taking you guys out on. So let's go. You get POS?
Yes.
You get tangerine?
No.
Oh, I want tangerine. How much for these granuts? Small bottle.
This one 1,000, this one 2,000.
Give me that 1,000. So they went to many Nigerian options, which is fine. A lot of the groceries in there were actually imported, even like down to the fruits and veggies, which is okay. But like, I mean, when in Rome, right? Why can I not find Indomie? Please help me, because I got some stuff, but I also need a lot more things on my list. I have to check out Pick and Pay, or there's another grocery store like on the same streets. I don't remember the name, but we're probably gonna go there together. So I came to the second supermarket, and guess what? They still don't have the things that I need. And I've wasted fuel, and I'm even a little bit frustrated because like when I was at Delhi's, guys, like normally I know Delhi's is expensive, like you only go there if you only get like imported stuff, which I know. I saw the normal oven fresh I buy, which was I think 2 or 3k. I saw another imported bread, farmhouse bread, and that one, the big size, the price was there. They wrote 5,000 something, and I saw the small size and I was like, it's only me, like I'm only one person, I don't need this whole big bread, I don't eat bread like that. Let me just buy the small size, because it's gonna be like within my normal range of, you know, maybe 2k 2.5 last price, because it's like smaller than the big size. But yeah, like tell me why the bread was the same price, guys. I came to this second supermarket, drove all the way, and they don't have any of the things. They don't have potato, no plantain, no cereal, no milk. Come on, what? I'm just like, okay, so what do I do now? My friends are going to be laughing at me because I normally prefer to go to the market. I'm always like, I don't like going to market. Well, now I'm going to find markets. I don't know any markets here, so I'm probably going to have to do that like at the end of my day or even tomorrow, because I'm over it. Not to spoil the surprise, but we're going to an art gallery because the one I wanted to go to at Ikoyi is closed today. So we're going to one nearby. Let's go. Hope you're not tired though, because we have a lot on our plate today.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different.
What happened to the art gallery?
I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love?
I don't even know what to say. The Art 21 was closed. There was literally no exhibition, no art even in there to see, and it wasn't on their Instagram page. But the guy tried to gaslight me that they've been renovating for a while. Maybe not gaslight me, but I had to pull up the Instagram page to be like, it literally shows you're open. And then I came to the Prime restaurant and they also told me that they were fully reserved, so I couldn't even get a cocktail at the bar. We're probably going to have to go to slow because I don't know, they've never turned me away there these days somehow, to be very honest, but we're rolling with it. Let's see what happens. Tell me why I forgot I was literally vlogging and I started just enjoying my day. That's how sometimes these vlogs go, and then you have to cut, and then it's not making sense. I think what I remembered, while I was waiting at the signature lounge, let me just circle. Someone came up to me. They wanted to ask who I was waiting for, and I was like, I wasn't waiting for anybody. Like, I tried to go to the R21 exhibition. It wasn't open. I came here to get a drink at the Prime restaurant, and the waiter there told me that it was fully reserved or something, and I tried to get a seat at the bar, and apparently that's still fully reserved. So I said, okay, no problem, let me just wait here. And they told me that I cannot wait there since I don't have a key to the room, so I can wait by the pool bar, which is why I came here. And I run my hair studio. I told you guys about it, right? 24-hour beauty hair, the only place to get your hair done in Lagos if you want quality, long-lasting frontal installation. Marketing these days has been really difficult, especially even like filming in general has been difficult because I'm also like the head stylist at the studio. But I just saw one piece of marketing which I definitely would like to replicate and try out for my studio and see if that's gonna, like, you know, catch attention and bring in more clientele. But if you guys want to book me for a service or book any of my other stylists for a service, then the details are going to be in the description. Funny how I'm feeling with my phone case. But yes, I'm at slow now. A cold bar was cute, not gonna lie. And I even got a job offer. Literally while I was sitting there, someone came up to me and offered me a job, a sales rep role though, at a furniture store. Which, I mean, I consider that, but I have my business to run. So if anyone is out there that's looking for a sales rep position at a store in VI, you should probably DM me on IG. And by the way, you guys should also follow me on IG. Sometimes I post good looking pictures on there also, like on my TikTok. Follow my TikTok as well. Sometimes I wonder if I really am an introvert, because where do I get all this energy? How many places have I been to just today? And I still have one more to go. It is well. Anyways, I'll show you guys when I get there. So let's head into slow.
Poi facevo altre cose, ma quello non mi ha mai. Ma per quello mi tirare. Invece a lavorare.
Are you Ghanaian?
No,
You are Ghanaian, so you're just pretending to be.
I'm not pretending, it's a souvenir.
Where are you from? Yoruba. You're from one of those funny states.
Yes.
And women from there normally light skin.
No.
What does he start with? The letter.
If I tell you, you get it.
What does he end with?
Oh.
You're from those states.
Yeah, I am.
They always want us to be very wary of federal guys.
So, are you scared? And how was that?
It was tough coming here, like not knowing how to not knowing how to like speak English. It was tough. Absolutely tough. But I think I made it out.
I mean, you're definitely passing.
I guess so.
Yeah.
Thank you for the compliment. I wasn't expecting one so soon.
I remembered that I hadn't ended the vlog from yesterday. So let me tell you, I did not end up going to the beach. I ended up going out still, but I didn't vlog that part. So I just wanted to use this opportunity to end the vlog and say thank you so much for 5,000 subscribers. Hit the notification bell. Do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends who are looking for some premium entertainment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.